Hi everyone, this is DDNZ. So, I just got to Army Bay. Yeah, my boat is ready. Everything is set up. I'm just going to check what actually happening around Army Bay. It's not many cars today, not many boats, just few kayaks. Yeah, the weather is alright. No rain. It might be rain around 1 o'clock. There's a few kayaks, 2, 3, 4, 5 kayaks. Yeah, so it's gonna be a good day, because if there's not many boats, it's always good fishing. So I'm quite happy. Hopefully the weather stay until at least 1 or 2 o'clock, so I can do at least 5.5 hours fishing. Yeah. All right, so let's go. Yeah, so updates after 15 minutes. When I checked the weather in the morning, it's supposed to be up to 10 knots, but yeah, the weather changed and it's not really what you want. Yeah, I'm just thinking definitely I can't go too far, so I'm just probably just staying maybe I would say, I don't know, 1k max, maybe 700 meters offshore, because yeah, the wind is just crazy. It might get better, but I don't know. Yeah, I'll show you, but yeah, it's too windy now. It's still not bad, but you know, just the comfort how you fish, you have to look at the bloody waves, and you have to, you have to watch what actually is around. So yeah, I'll see another half an hour, and I don't know, but I might just stay around, maybe where I said, few hundred meters offshore, and I'll try. Okay, all good. So yeah, this is what is it with the movement. Disappointing. Oh well, we'll see. I'll record one small snapper. I didn't record it because it was too windy. Yeah, we'll see. Fish probably around 24. So no keeper. See you later. All right. Yeah, it's windy. Woo! Jesus! Oh my gosh. small fish. Wow. All right. Ah, wow. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to measure the fish. Oh my gosh, the bloody waves pissing me off. And yeah, it's a keeper. So my first keeper today, it might be probably around 30, 33, 34. So it's, yeah, it's good. Good, so at least first one. Small snipper. Yep. Yep. It's back. Alright, so after hour, just quick update. Yeah, it's still windy. It's much better than in the morning, 1 hour ago. I caught probably around 10 fish and one keeper, around 33, maybe 34 centimeters. Yeah, so it's good. The fish is around. You can see when you drop it straight away you have fish, so it's good. Well, we'll see what's gonna happen next. All right, I got another fish. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's go. Up, up. Oh, all right. It's quite nice. Alright, so after 1.5 hours I came back. The wind is just crazy, 22 knots, so I just decided just go home after 1.5 hours. Yeah, some guys on the kayak still there, but I just go home. So today I caught one keeper, so you can see just one, probably around 33 centimeters. I was using today first time, here is bruised banana color. It was really good choice today. Yeah, so 1.5 hours I got probably around 15 snappers, but what I said is only one keeper. I thought it's gonna be good because when I checked what I said already in the morning, the weather's supposed to be good, rain after 2 p.m. and the wind up to 10-11 knots, but nah, it's a different story. And yeah, 22 knots, it's just, yeah, you can still fish, but you don't want to really, you want to enjoy the fishing, and you want to, you know, you don't have to watch the waves, and because my boat is small boat, so that's why it's a little bit different fishing. But yeah, I could still go out and catch the dinner. So definitely tonight it's gonna be snapper for dinner. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully next weekend see you again. DDNZ.